Hey guys. Good day. As the title of the video is saying, today we will be discovering some new listings coming from Bitget exchange, which we are aiming will be big week for new listings. Are you curious which cash cow tokens are coming in? Let's dive in. Tenset. What is Tenset? Tenset is a technological hub specializing in blockchain. They provide innovative young startups with the necessary tools to flourish, while connecting them with powerful marketing and a global community through their world-class launchpad. Tenset Gem Launch Platform is widely respected as one of the top launchpads in the crypto space, having previously launched hugely successful projects such as MetaHero and Everdome. Tenset Token Tenset is a deflationary token based on the BNB chain. This utility token powers the diverse Tenset ecosystem, acting as the native currency for all services. This includes access to the Tenset Launchpad, Infinity Airdrop Platform, NFT Marketplace, Gaming Hub, and more. To participate in launches, users need to buy Tenset tokens and lock them from their private wallet. Holdstation, Holdstation is the first non-custodial derivatives trading platform that brings the brokerage model from Web 2 to Web 3. Their products use smart contract wallet technology and are implemented on Layer 2 Rollup blockchains such as ZK Sync Era to optimize the trading experiences and enhance privacy for traders, bring them as close to Web 2 trading experiences as possible. At the current moment and in the short terms, Holdstation delivers 5 main benefits for users. First, they provide a non-custodial smart wallet. Their smart wallet is currently available on both iOS and Android, and integrates the most innovative technologies such as account abstraction and ZK rollups, which offer privacy and modern digital wallet-like customer experience. Now you may wonder where to buy this token and be the profit surfer of these tokens. As usual, all this token is listed on Bitget, so I am recommending Bitget as a to-go exchange. Register or sign into Bitget by accessing their website. After that, you can click Spot Trade as all the token is listed in this section. Spot Trade is like the core of crypto trading. Before you are getting further, you can deposit some USDT to trade those tokens if you haven't. Now you can find all those cash cow tokens listed there. Voila. That is all the steps to do a spot trade on Bitget exchange. But make sure you research and make further analysis with technical analysis. All tokens shown in this video is a gateway for users to earn more profits with Bitget. Also stay tuned for more Bitget events up ahead, which full of bonuses and delicate rewards. Also make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video if you like these kind of info. Trade now with Bitget and be the profit surfer.